In part 4, we try to bring the findings together to help readers to begin to craft a leadership journey plan for 2025 to 2035. To begin your reflections, as you put all of this together, we suggest you start by asking yourself 5 honest questions. 1. Does your organization have a high-performance culture? We believe this is a non-negotiable pillar. Without this, progress will likely to be too hard and too slow. 2. What is the health of the other pillars of your leadership system? 3. Do we have the right individual leaders in the most important 5 to 10 positions? Do these individuals support, reinforce, or possibly undermine a high-performance culture? 4. Is the internal leadership talent pipeline working? We need remarkably talented and dedicated people to lead these organizations. 5. Is the board doing its job? Boards are part of the leadership system and custodians of that system at the same time. This is a significant conundrum, as we've heard repeatedly that many boards and board members are struggling to effectively fill their mandate.
The following grid is intended to help with your self-reflection and prioritization.
As you progress your self-evaluation in our paper, you will find a link to 3 practical self-assessment tools.
To finish, if your leadership system is malfunctioning or truly broken, who do you think is best placed to take the initiative?
The subtitle of this paper reads, "Stop kicking the ball down the road." This is a common Irish expression which speaks to the essence of what we often see in international NGOs. New projects are initiated with a reasonable degree of hope and excitement, reviews of strategy, structure, governance, IT projects, to name a few. We are not suggesting that these may not be useful and much needed, but perhaps sometimes some of these projects become diversionary tactics to buy time and avoid tackling what might be the real need, to fix broken leadership systems, or to shift your performance culture to a better place. We call this kicking the ball down the road. If you believe you have a low performance culture, deal with it. Identify and eliminate the pieces that are enabling it to hang on, the practices, the behaviours, the habits, and perhaps even in some cases, the people.
We offer these reflections and suggestions humbly. We are aware that this is an enormously complex subject and that every individual agency will have its own history, nuances, and dynamic. Our intent is not to provide you with a silver bullet. In fact, the implicit message throughout is that there is no silver bullet. Neither is our intent to add any new unique angles to the large body of academic literature. We are simply aiming to add a few practical reflections, suggestions, and frameworks for self-reflection and self-challenge tailored to our sector, and maybe to encourage you to start to strengthen your leadership systems for the decade ahead.